you tell me what this is, please? Come to Taiwan. There is so much to do and see. The people are wonderful. The food is incredible. The weather's incredible. Lovely and hot.
Now we are back in Hualian City. Today we went to the 太鲁阁国家公园. What did you think of the national park, Dad?
I think it was absolutely amazing. The geography of it, and well, obviously a lot of history attached to it as well. But no, very good. Well worth seeing.
And what do you think about Hualien, the city?
Hualian is a wonderful city. Very open, actually. A lot cooler than Kaohsiung.
It is a lot cooler.
A lot cooler, yeah.
Everyone we met on the journey. 我们今天在国家公园里面有碰到一些台湾人，他们问我们你住在哪一边？我说高雄。他说第一个反应就是说高雄很热，受不了。Everyone said 高雄 is too hot.
Yeah, everyone we spoke to.
Yeah, everyone says that. But here actually you can walk around and the temperature's pretty good.
Nice, yeah, it is really nice. We're off to the night market now.
我们今天不要到那么晚所以就早一点到，吃饱那就回家了睡觉。但是呢，我们发现，这个夜市比较特殊，因为中间，等一下我带你过去看一下，中间有3台坦克车，还有这个江机，那对面有一个庙，那就我爸爸说为什么里面有坦克车，在一个夜市里面，我说这个是台湾，这个是就是无法解释，就是台湾这样子。好的，所以我说那个花莲夜市比较特殊，我给你看一下我的理由。哇！我们第一餐是玉米you want to show them what you got?
We have got a lovely corn on the cob. It looks absolutely delicious. Bit hot at the moment, so I'll wait for a couple of minutes. It's a bit hot.
Be careful.
Oh, that's lovely. Barbecue.
You think that's different to English sweet corn?
It's softer and it's sweeter.
Yeah. Everything in Taiwan is sweeter.
Oh yeah. But it's lovely in barbecue.
Yeah.
Spicy.
Alright. Right, what have you got? Because this is becoming a bit of a habit.
I have got stinky tofu. I absolutely love it.
Why do you love the stinky tofu so much?
I just love the taste of it, and it's fried, it's crispy. It's absolutely delicious. So much flavour. I just think there's so much flavour. I mean, it's beautiful.
I think because they have the soy sauce.
Oh yeah.
The spicy.
Soy sauce is in the bottom.
Yeah, and then they have the spicy.
Extra spicy, isn't it?
Plus the kimchi.
Oh really?
This is kimchi.
Oh, that is lovely. It's like cabbage, isn't it?
Fermented cabbage.
Oh yeah.
And what are we drinking?
We are drinking lemon tea. I just wish I could use chopsticks though, but I can't. But it just won't work. Oh look. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah.
Pretty good. Look. Just clicks.
And again. Oh.
I think you got it. 他学会了。
This kimchi is lovely. Very nice.
所以呢，你如果来花莲，你要吃好吃的臭豆腐，我们推荐这家，给你看一下。
And drop it. Thank you.
So what have we got here, Dad?
We are eating some traditional Aboriginal food. We were walking by and Rob said, do you fancy trying it? And I said, okay. So here it is.
It looks good.
Oh, it looks delicious. Yeah. And I mastered the
chopsticks. 你看一下我们这里有什么？我们有鲱鱼，还有香肠，还有这个山猪肉。因为毕竟我们在花莲，所以要吃一些那个比较地道的美食。Okay. So this one looks great. Now these are the sausages.
They're lovely.
Different to a Western sausage.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit sweet.
Sweet.
但是呢，在台湾
I'm going to squeeze that lemon over the top.
在台湾 银城都有不同的口味。台南、高雄，哇，是算是一个那个甜点。
What's that, pork?
Yeah.
Oh, that is lovely. That is so nice.
Show them
Oh.
what they're missing out on here.
Oh my God.
You want to take a bit there? Look at that.
Look at that. That is delicious. That is so good. That pork. That is wonderful. Got so much flavour.
Let's have a try. 山猪肉.
Oh,
Oh,
that's probably the best pork I've tried in Taiwan.
the fat
Oh yeah.
is almost creamy.
Yeah.
真的是入口即化.
Oh yeah.
Now this is something different.
This is out as well. And $160 for this.
160 NT.
That is good price.
You get a lot of meat for your money.
Oh, yes, mate. What got here?
This is 鲱鱼, flying fish.
Really? Not too keen on the fish. Quite bony.
Bit of a local delicacy.
Bony.
Plenty of pork though.
Can I have that garlic?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need it.
What is your thoughts on that?
Well, the price first is absolutely brilliant. 160 NT, and the food is incredible.
That pork
Oh,
is delicious. Banana milkshake.
oh yeah, it's lovely. So refreshing. I love it. Hi, Rob. Can you tell me what this is, please?
Right, this is QQ 蛋。但是今天我爸爸这次这里的那个 QQ 蛋，花莲的口味比较不一样哦。OK， 我们今天在花莲，看到蛮多的外国人，但这个是好事，因为这里摆摊子的人辛苦的摆摊子的人可以赚一点钱。
Come to Taiwan, there is so much to do and see. The people are wonderful, the food is incredible, the weather's incredible, lovely and hot, but I recommend it 100%. I've been here many times, and just come and try it.
And you can try QQ 蛋。
Oh yeah.
QQ 蛋 ，OK， wait there.
I don't know whether it's hot though.
Just check first. Let's go.
Let's try it. Oh, they are delicious. They are so sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, they are lovely.
Sweet potato.
Oh yeah. They are really nice. I recommend these to anyone.
Recommend them?
Oh yeah.
A few moments later.
Even when they cool down, they're lovely.
You like this new idea of sweet potato?
Oh,
Good stuff. Addicted?
I'm so addicted, it's first time.
今天我们有台湾国防部长来这里练习一下。You go shoot all the spinning ones. Okay, go.
That's down the bottom. You do it.
All right, you just hold
You do
that.
it. Little bit of shot, mate. Hold up. One more. Yeah!
全部吗？可以哦。
Come on, the other button. Oh my God.
可以了。
But yeah, all in all,
Hey, bro.
very good. Very good.
What'd you give it out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Oh yeah.
What do you think about Hualian?
It's a beautiful place, beautiful city. Friendly people, lots to do, lots of shops, which is nice. Yeah, very good.
That's a wrap then.
That's a wrap.
See you soon.
See you soon. Bye bye.